So good morning everyone, it is Mitchell aka the Walker in Orlando and welcome to a travel vlog. You might be wondering, well Mitchell, where are you going? Well, you read the title, we are heading to Disney's Hilton Head Resort up in South Carolina. So today we are driving, because we are going to be driving. It's about a 5-hour drive to Hilton Head. So we are going to be driving, me, my family, and Kayla. So 5 of us. We're going to be splitting between 2 cars, my car and my parents' car. So make sure you guys are subscribed, leave a like as we do vlog around. Plus once we get there, we'll show you guys some of the rooms, show you the lobby, show you our 2-bedroom suite we got. So make sure you guys are subscribed, leave a like, stick around for our travel vlog. So got to our first stop, which is to Buc-ee's here in Daytona Beach, about an hour away from where we started. Also, this Buc-ee's is probably one of the busiest Buc-ee's I've ever seen in my life. So I would have shown you more of the Buc-ee's inside, but it was so busy in there that it was almost impossible. But we ended up getting a couple of brisket sandwiches. I got some beaver nuggets and stuff like that. But I would say if you're gonna come to the Daytona Beach one, I would say noon is not a good time to come because it is slamming busy. So now we're getting back in the car because now we're getting onto 95 and driving about an hour and 15 minutes to Jacksonville to possibly maybe go to Whataburger. We're not 100% sure yet, so, but we will we'll keep you updated with what's going on because we pretty much are gonna make a stop almost every hour, it looks like right now. So we officially made our second stop. We were gonna try to stop at Whataburger, but we got to a point where we had our meal from Buc-ee's and we were still very full, so we decided, well, let's keep going, and we've officially made it into Georgia. So we stopped off at the Welcome Center here, using the bathroom and everything else. We're about 2.5 hours away from Hilton Head, so I think we're gonna try to figure out, are we gonna try to just keep driving until we're hungry, or try to hold off until we can get to Hilton Head, or at least South Carolina. So we'll just have to figure that out. But yep, like I said, it's the Welcome Center, there's the highway. So second stop. So we have officially arrived here at Hilton Head. There was a lot that's kind of going on, so I didn't film a whole lot. I do have a whole walk tour that I hopefully will put after this, with me doing a voiceover or something, or just putting music so you guys can enjoy that. But we are actually kind of nice. So you can't see right now, we're actually on the marsh, so right out here. So we may get some either really good sunrises, sunsets, or any of that stuff. So something we do need to do is we need to walk to the Mercantile area, stuff like that. But just talk about this room, like seriously, like this is the second room that has the 2 queen size beds in it. But I love this little table. I like this little table. Also the fact that like this porch, like we have this like own little porch with our own rocking chairs away from the big one, plus the big one and everything else. This is a really nice resort. I think I'll take you guys, I think tomorrow or next day, one of these days I'm gonna get up really early, do a full walk tour video, show you guys. So it's something to kind of keep an eye on for another day. But tomorrow we've got kind of a lot because there's actually some cool things going on here around the resort. So we'll check all that out. So we're gonna actually head to the Mercantile, walk around, show you guys. It is very dark, so we may not see a whole lot. But if you guys are curious to see how long it took us, so we left Davenport, Florida, kind of that area where we live, which is right outside of Disney, about 20 minutes away from Disney. We left there at 10:45, 11 o'clock, and we got here about 6:30, so not too bad. It was also with 3 stops on the way here, so it's also a stop at Walmart because we have a full-size kitchen. So we're gonna head on down and walk around.
Yeah, I think both of these pull out. This one for sure pulls out.
Yeah, so
That's probably a twin.
you can pull out
And this one.
these, sleep in here, you can move them.
Oh my god. Oh, that's cool. Kayla. So it's kind of also interesting to note is that we are on a 2-bedroom villa here. This is another one of the Disney Vacation Club resorts. So if you're a Disney Vacation Club member, you get you can actually make this like your home resort. There's a whole thing about it. I'm gonna make a whole video about Vacation Club at some point because there's a lot of information with it. But so it's kind of weird. This is gonna sound weird, but we're on the first floor. So this is not like first floor like you would think resort. This is actually another level because being on the beach and everything, just in case anything happens or any sort of or if there's any like, hurricanes or anything, this is on the first floor, so it can help with any flooding or anything. So we're in building 14 and in room 1412. So to give you an idea, it is 7 p.m. and it is already very dark. Also does not feel like it's a like we're at a Disney resort of sorts, but it is really nice little beach resort. Yeah, that's the thing. Honestly, it's so quiet. Also, what's pretty cool thing is right outside of our room, we have this really cool like boardwalk, just straight up this way. And as you probably heard my mom say, there's cornhole right here. So hammocks. There's a hammock. There's a hammock.
Oh, and a grill, I think. I got a grill.
Wow. So the Broad Creek Mercantile, which is general store, Tide Me Over, community hall, exercise, and restroom. Of course, this is also right across the way from the pool. So this is actually really nice. This is already a very nice little resort. So just like any Disney resort, once you go inside, you have to wear a mask the entire time you're inside. So that's just something I want to just make sure everyone is aware. If you are interested in Hilton Head at all, until the mask is thing is lifted for Disney, they'll require it here as well. So here's the pool area as well. So they have a water slide. They have a Big Dipper water slide. So kind of a smaller pool and stuff. But so like I said, most everything will be up on a second level, quote unquote. But here's the community hall. So we're gonna come in here and try to do the Mickey wreath in here. See how much that is. Then here's some restrooms and stuff. It is very themed towards Vacation Club. If you're curious, then here's the Broad Creek Mercantile. I actually took a quick video in there of how everything is and all that stuff. They also have a quick service location with a Tide Me Over. Wow. A bounty, oh yeah. Bounty platter, chicken and waffles. Mickey waffles, breakfast, kids breakfast on the side. Beignets. Oh, gosh. You need specialty lattes, hot cocoa. Might need it because it's really cold. But they're only open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. But what's also really cool is they have this pier. They have this pier right here. You can go all the way out onto. So we'll definitely have to check that out at some point. And if you look on this sign right here, this sign actually has all of the Vacation Club, Disney Vacation Club resorts. So you have Old Key West, Vero, Boardwalk, the ones on, and they tell you the mileage. And on the side, these are the Disneyland ones. You have Alani and the villas at Grand California. So, and there's a fire pit down here. So, like I said, we'll do a full walking tour at some point while we are here. So so make sure you stick around because I will put that video out. It's probably gonna be one of the longest videos I make, but there's a lot to look at. So yeah, so we just left up there, and so we were asking about, because they're doing a special thing with their activities, and they're going to be making Mickey wreaths. So we're going to be doing that, and then Tuesday morning at 9:30 you can actually meet Pluto at Pluto's Point. So we're going to check that out as well. So really there's a lot, and then there's a whole shuttle that takes you to the beach. There's a beach house that has another pool over there, which is right up from the beach. So it's a lot. There's a lot here. So like I said, I will do a whole resort tour, but I want to do it during the day so that I can see everything.